Do you know that you can have good skincare habits and still not achieve your skin goals? I mean, you know your skin type, you know the right products for your skin, yet those products are not giving what they are supposed to give. Listen, that's because you're not layering your products the right way. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to layer your skincare products the right way in order to get the best out of them. Enjoy, guys. Hey guys, hey gorgeous, gorgeous people, what is good and how are you? You are welcome back to my channel. And just in case you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Tamilola and I am a very, very new YouTuber based in Lagos State, Nigeria. So please subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the correct way to layer your skincare products in order to get the most out of them. The first step for every skincare routine is cleansing. Whether you want to rinse your face or you want to double cleanse or you want to cleanse it once, the first step is cleansing. I said rinsing because a lot of people with dry skin do not use face wash in the morning. They simply rinse it. But I mean, it's still a form of cleansing, isn't it? But if you have an oily skin or you have makeup on or you have heavy product on your face overnight, then you want to double cleanse. Double cleansing simply means washing your face twice. Now, for the first cleanse, you can use either a micellar water, cleansing balm, or cleansing oil. This is what I use currently. I've also used this before, so they are very, very good products and they get the job done. Double cleansing is not necessary, it is not necessary at all. So, that is why it's important to know what suits your skin. For some people, it dries out their skin, so they do not need it. It's not compulsory at all. So, that is for the first cleansing. For the second one, you go in with a face wash. As a beginner, it is advisable to use there are a wide range of cleansers from CeraVe and Cetaphil, and they have each cleanser caters to a particular skin type, to particular skin types and concerns. For example, if you have an oily skin, you can use the CeraVe foaming cleanser. If you have a dry skin, you can use the hydrating one. If you have a combination skin, it's a whole range of face wash. CeraVe, Cetaphil, they offer a wide range of face wash, so you can just pick anyone that suits your skin type. This is CeraVe foaming cleanser. It is very good. Sometimes I also use the simple facial wash. It is very, very good. And sometimes if I need to treat or exfoliate my skin, I use the salicylic acid wash from Cosrx. Those are the three face wash I use in my routine currently. I use them interchangeably or I use them whenever the need arises. Now that you have cleansed your face and it is dry, if you want to use a face mask or a clay mask, now is the time. The next product you want to use after cleansing your face is toner. You know, after cleansing your face, the face is dry, so you want to bring back moisture to your skin. What toners basically do is they balance skin pH. After you have applied your toner, if you need to use a sheet mask, now is the time. If you do not, then the next thing is your essence. An example here is snail mucin, okay? It is not a serum and it is not a toner. I mean, it's just in between. Once your toner or serum is fully absorbed into your skin, the next step is serum. Guys, it is okay to skip your toners or even essence and go straight to your serum as long as you're applying it on a freshly washed or cleansed face. I'm sure by now you are wondering, toner, essence, serum, what is the difference? Guys, the difference between toners and serum is that while toners are supposed to like hydrate and moisturize your skin, they are not thick enough to penetrate into your skin the way serums will. Do you understand? So they are just supposed to like prepare your skin for subsequent products. I mean, toners and essence, they are supposed to prepare your skin for subsequent products that you will use. Serums also vary. It depends on what you want to use it for. For example, people with dry skin would go for hyaluronic acid, in order to bring moisture to their face and to plump their skin. People would also use vitamin C and niacinamide serums in the morning because it works better with sunscreen. And yeah, it's and at night people will use serums like azelaic acid, just different kinds depending on what you are treating or depending on your routine or what you have in your routine part time. So now we have cleansing, toners, essence, serum. After that, after your serum, the next thing is your moisturizer. There are different kinds of moisturizer for different times. I mean, it depends on how your skin feels at the moment. For example, if your skin feels dry or dull, then you want to go for product for moisturizers that have like hyaluronic acid. If you want to strengthen your barrier, then you want to look for moisturizers that have peptide and other and any other or any moisturizer that has ingredients that caters to that. Whew, that was a mouthful. Also, if you just want to hydrate, this is very good. I mean, it's a staple. In fact, I'm sure everyone in the skincare community has used the Cosrx Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one cream moisturizer at a time or the other. Another moisturizer that I use currently is this from Uncover. Like I said, your moisturizer depends on the state of your skin at the particular time. I also said that because at night, a lot of people will prefer to go for moisturizers that have actives in them, like retinol, azelaic acid, and all of those things. You don't want to use them during the day because of sensitivity from the sun. After moisturizer, for your morning skincare routine, the next and the final step is your sunscreen. But if it is in the night, you do not need sunscreen. Honestly, if you do not use your sunscreen in the morning, everything you have done is almost wasted effort because you need to protect your face from the sun. Okay, especially people that will be outside and just go about their day in the sun. Okay, so you want to use sunscreen. Guys, I will advise that if you find a sunscreen that is very good for your skin, forget about social media trend or whatever. Let me tell you, if you get a sunscreen that is very good for your skin, I mean, it doesn't leave white cast, it doesn't sting your skin, it doesn't sting your eye, it gets the job done, it doesn't make you look funny. Whether cheap or not, please stick to it. Forget that this is the new sunscreen now. If you don't use this one, you are use whatever is good for your skin. Okay, don't up from product to product. That way you're not giving the product time to work. Okay, and at the end of the day, what you just notice is those products are not working and you are not achieving your skin goals. I hope I'm making sense, guys. These are the sunscreens that I use currently in my routine. This from Sun Aqua, I have this one from Nivea, and this from Laviana. Laviana is a Nigerian product. However, the thing with Laviana is you might need extra time to for it to penetrate the skin before it disappears totally, but it is very good. Guys, if you want to get the most out of your product, then you need to realize that layering is very, very important. And how do you layer? Cleansing, toning, essence, serum, moisturizer, and your sunscreen. If you need to use clay mask or face mask, then it will come after you have cleansed your skin. If you need to use sheet mask, then it comes. This is an example of sheet mask. If you need to use sheet mask, then it comes after toning. Guys, note that this product, it is best to apply them from the thinnest to the thickest. That way you will give it time to penetrate well into your skin. I mean, the thinner ones will prepare your skin very well for the thicker ones. I hope you understand. It is advisable to go from light to heavy, thin to thick. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Guys, if you are still watching and you have not subscribed, What are you doing? Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please, and please subscribe to my channel. Like, give me a fat and juicy thumbs up. Okay, comments. Let me get your feedback. Let me know what you think about this video, and let me know if you layer your skincare products the right way, or if you start layering your skincare products the right way. And guys, please share my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.